Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be teaching Python for beginners. Even if you've never written a single line of code before, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Before we start, we need to download Python. So we go to a browser and enter the link python.org. And we click on download and download the latest version available. And you need the IDE. What's the IDE? It's an app that you need to open Python and write codes in. And for that, we will be using PyCharm. So we go to the link jetbrains.com/PyCharm. And we download it. There's also VS Code that you can use, and you can download it from this website. Once both are installed, you're ready to start coding. Now let's write our first line of code. Our first code needs to be simple and easy. So we write print hello world. Then we click on run at the top right of the screen and boom, it prints hello world. The command print tells Python that whatever is inside the codes print. It is really simple. Now let's make more fun. What if we want Python to ask the user's name? What should we do? Well, that's when we write name equals input what's your name. Then we write print nice to meet you name. There's actually two ways to write. The other way is print nice to meet you, comma, name. Now we rerun it. See, it is asking us what's your name. We type our name, I'll be writing Celine, and voila, nice to meet you, Celine. And that's it. You just wrote your first Python code. In the next video, we will be learning about variables and numbers. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson.